So we're going to open this Prius key fob. You can see that. Hold the tab, pull the key out. And we'll take a knife. Again, hold insert and just pry it open. And the cover slides off. Okay. We'll take a screwdriver with a small point. Phillips screwdriver. Remove the 4 screws. Okay, get those together, and you'll see, pop the cover up. There's our battery, which you can see is a Panasonic CR2032, a 3-volt battery. Just tap it to pop it out, then remove new battery package. See the lip, slide it under the lip, pop it in, and we put the cover back on. Oops, other way. We have a seal we don't want to disrupt. Okay. Back to our tiny Phillips screwdriver. Put the 4 screws back in. Make sure they're snugged. So that we have a tight seal. And we'll slide the cover back on. The one trick is that we go back to this, hold it down and pop it in. And then do the same thing. Hold it in while you slip the key back into place. Done. Battery has been replaced. We're ready to go.